In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up field-level security in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to enhance your understanding of this important feature, this walkthrough is designed to make it crystal clear. Field-level security is a critical component when it comes to protecting sensitive data within your organization, so let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your data and applications. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to a variety of settings that Salesforce offers. A click on this gear icon will reveal a drop-down menu from which you'll select Advanced Setup. Now, once you're in the Advanced Setup area, you've entered the realm where you can manage users, data, and security with exact precision. Here, you'll find a search box labeled Quick Find, which is an incredibly useful tool. It helps you to swiftly navigate through the myriad of options available within Salesforce. In this search box, type Profiles or Permission Sets and hit the Enter key. These should pop up as options, and you'll want to click on one based on what you aim to configure. Profiles and permission sets are fundamental components in Salesforce. They essentially determine what your users can see and accomplish within the platform, offering a high degree of customization and control. After you've selected a profile or permission set, the next task is to locate the field-level security section. Depending on the complexity or customization level of your Salesforce setup, this section might not be readily visible, and you may need to scroll down the page to find it. But don't stress, it's there, and discovering it is vital for continuing with the setup. Once you've located the field-level security section, you'll see a list displaying various objects or fields. This is the point where you determine exactly which data you want to secure. You'll notice a View button next to each object or field, which you should click to gather more detailed insights about the current security settings of the field. This will bring you to the field's permissions page. On this page, you'll see an Edit button. Clicking here enables you to alter the security settings of the field. In this section, there are checkboxes available for you to grant different types of access. Opt for Read Access if you wish others to only view the data without making any changes, or select Edit Access if you want certain users to have the ability to modify the data. Lastly, it's crucial to remember to hit Save to ensure all your changes are applied. This step finalizes the update to the field-level security settings for your chosen profile or permission set. And there you have it. You've successfully configured field-level security in Salesforce. By following these steps, you've made significant strides in safeguarding your organization's data. If the need arises to adjust these settings in the future, you'll be able to do so with a newfound level of confidence. Thank you for watching, and I truly hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.